Learn English to Gujarati. Give and past forms like aapvu. Welcome to the giving machine. Hey, you are about to learn some super useful Gujarati through a very generous, slightly ridiculous story. If a vending machine can learn to give hugs, you can absolutely learn these words. Picture this. You walk into a tiny language shop. A robot at the door says, "Today we learn give." In Gujarati, that is aapvu. The robot stretches out a shiny book and says, "Please give me the book," becomes a sentence with aapvu. Then it gets dramatic and whispers, "There was only one book left." In Gujarati, that key idea is Ch.247. You nod like a wise language detective, even though 5 seconds ago you were just here for snacks. Your core verb today. Let's lock in the main verb first. Once this one sticks, the rest feel much less scary. The base verb is give. aapvu. Think of a hand moving outward with a gift. Say it with me. aapvu. A helpful image. A child sees a thirsty traveler and decides to aapvu a bottle of water. A funny image. A vending machine learns to aapvu hugs instead of chips. Terrible business model. Excellent memory trick. Past tense parade. Now you will meet the whole giving family in the past. Yes, it is a parade. Yes, everyone brought a gift. I gave. Main aapvu. Imagine saying, "Yes, I gave it. I even wrapped it badly, but main aapvu." TL Latin, mem appium. You gave. Tame aapvu. Someone points at you and says, "The mystery pen?" Tame aapvu. Quote. He gave. Tene aapvu. The hero arrives with tea. Everyone cheers. Tene aapvu. She gave. Api. A queen, a teacher, or your very organized aunt hands over the answer sheet. Api. We gave. Ame aapvu. A whole team shows up with snacks and says proudly, "Ame aapvu." They gave. Sie gaben. This form appears in your word list exactly like this, so keep it as a special memory card. Sie gaben. Mini story at the festival. Now listen to a short story and let the words repeat naturally. You do not need to memorize every line, just enjoy the pattern. Yesterday there was a festival in town. Near the river, one little stall. Ch.2. It sold books, sweets, and mysterious socks with dancing mangoes on them. I saw a child looking at a book, so main aapvu a coin to help. Then you arrived with water, and the crowd said, "Tame aapvu." A kind teacher came next. Tene aapvu. Notebooks to the students. Then the principal smiled and api sweets to everyone. Our group joined in too. We laughed, we waved, and ame aapvu extra pens. By evening, people were talking about the helpers and someone in the background dramatically declared, Sie gaben. Was it Gujarati? Was it German? Was it a confused uncle with great confidence? No one knows. Quick contrast drill. Time for a fast ear workout. Listen for who gave what. To give. Aapvu. I gave. Main aapvu. You gave. Tame aapvu. He gave. Tene aapvu. She gave. Api. We gave. Ame aapvu. There was. Ch.2. They gave. Sie gaben. Tiny dialogue, big memory. Here comes a playful dialogue. Read it, hear it, and imagine the scene like a cartoon. A. Who gave me the book? B. Maybe. Tene aapvu. A. No, no. Tame aapvu. I remember now. B. Impossible. I was busy teaching a squirrel to recycle. A. Fine, then maybe.
Api.
She gave it. C. Actually.
Ame aapvu.
The whole team did. Narrator. And on the table.
Hatu.
One receipt, 2 ladus, and total confusion. Memory tricks that are silly enough to work. Sometimes the brain remembers nonsense better than logic. So let's use a little nonsense. 4.
Aapvu.
Imagine an app called Give-O-Matic. You press a button and it only gives umbrellas, compliments, and mangoes. 4.
Me aapvu.
Imagine yourself proudly shouting, I gave it, while accidentally handing someone a giant spoon. 4.
Tame aapvu.
Point at your friend and say, you gave it, and yes, I saw the sparkly wrapping paper. 4.
Tene aapvu.
Picture a movie hero slowly turning and offering the final cup of tea. 4.
Api.
Think, Aapi, happy, she gave, and now everyone is happy. 4.
Ame aapvu.
Imagine your whole study group tossing pens into the air like confetti. 4.
Hatu.
See an empty table and hear a detective whisper, a sandwich.
Hatu.
Here, now it is gone. 4.
Gaben.
Imagine a dramatic chorus of gift-giving penguins. Why penguins? Because your memory deserves entertainment. Challenge round. Let's see if you can catch the right form. No pressure. Even the robot got one wrong and gave a shoe to a watermelon. Say the Gujarati for give. Answer.
Aapvu.
Say the Gujarati for I gave. Answer.
Me aapvu.
Say the Gujarati for you gave. Answer.
Tame aapvu.
Say the Gujarati for he gave. Answer.
Tene aapvu.
Say the Gujarati for she gave. Answer.
Api.
Say the Gujarati for we gave. Answer.
Ame aapvu.
Say the Gujarati for there was. Answer.
Hatu.
Say the word list form for they gave. Answer.
Gaben.
Friendly conclusion. You did great. Seriously, you just walked through a whole set of giving forms without dropping the gift box. Today you practiced give as.
Aapvu.
Plus past forms like.
Me aapvu. Tame aapvu. Tene aapvu. Api. Ame aapvu.
And the useful past existence form.
Hatu.
Plus the listed form.
Gaben.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the funny images, and come back to these words tomorrow. The more you practice, the more naturally you will remember them.